Alright. So, how many people know the Suntory?
Yeah.
Anyone here like that? Alright, okay. Yeah, Suntory is not only the whiskey, gin, soda, okay? We also have a great best beer and here. And now you guys are trying. And I'd like to introduce how you serve the best stuff in the beer. You know what? It's actually you purchase a good beer, but if you serve sex, to be honest, it's gonna be hard.
Yes.
But I don't want you to do like that, so I have like this kind of nice lighting machine, and you will see how different is the beer, okay?
Yeah.
You guys ready? Alright. So I'm going to make a two-style of the pouring, okay? The first one is a Suntory, nice gentleman style. Alright. By the way, my name is Ko, okay? I'm a beer quality advisor. To be honestly, I was only one licensed guy in America. So when you serve the beer, just be careful. Make sure you just rinse it one more time because your dishwasher is always leaving the chemical on the bottom. Very, very important. Then your beer going to taste a little bit different. So when you serve, okay, you guys got it. Make sure your glass is chilled and the cream, no aqua inside. Then the first of all, you have to swirl it first 1 second and then catch because the beer is stopping here and then one in front of the gate. And once you open, it's beer going to start to rush you. That's why when you catch the beer, it's going to be like this. It's so much foam. So unfortunately, this foam is a garbage. No.
Don't give it to the beer.
But instead of the rough foam, don't forget to press the handle to the bulk one and then get this super creamy foam. So this is the key. This is the signature of the Suntory Plain Lemons. Basically, you just get the foam, okay? So one more time. Once you, first of all, you wash. All right. Then Japanese style. Don't forget to 1 time, 2 times, and the bowl. All right. Pray for the dispenser and stop. Catch like this. Make sure you make an angle, and the Suntory Plain Lemons require to perfect ratio with a 70 and the 30. Make sure you stop the between T and the premium. And then leave the head, the space for the head. Then catch the head like this. It's very, very easy, right?
Front, yeah.
But this action will be different.
Not every bottom.
Yeah. It's a protein that stuff. And this is done one more time. Alright, there you go. This is a super aggressive quality.
Yeah.
Alright. So once you hit the ledge from the bottom, you don't see any color, it's totally black. You see it, right? So why, I just want to say why we needed to do this. Because there's a full great function on the beer. She's like, okay? Because this creamy foam is a particularly super tiny. That's why you can keep the beer's great taste and the calculation or whatever great things inside it. Alright, so that's a good addition. Alright, bad addition, the local like New Yorker, like about and they just pinky like this, and then like it's so much fancy, but they don't know how to serve the beer, unfortunately. And then you always put the glass like this and the lazy.
That's lazy, yeah.
This is lazy. Oh. And you see the many forms. Yeah. This form is okay, but unfortunately, again, this form is sex. If you purchase such a great beer, but no good. So our divine light tell us the truth. Hit the light. You see the color is yellow, right? Check the color here on the mirror. You see the differences?
Yeah.
The first one is the first glass. It will be more darker, right? But that's why it's because our foam particles is too big. That's why beer's carbonation, the taste, and fragrance all went out. Unfortunately, this is the very stuff. So now I need one volunteer who's thirsty and who want to try that. You try this one also.
Oh, you got some good stuff there. You got 2 of them.
Could you help me just describe how you're different? How it's different? Just don't just drink it.
This one tastes better. This one tastes like grass.
Wow, such a simple one. Well, exactly, yeah. Right? Do you feel
Try again.
Try it, yeah. Yeah, more seriously, okay?
Try the other one. Try the other one.
It's mine.
Right? Yeah. So even when you same building, they're almost the same beer, but there's only one technique to bring it next level. And then because Suntory's beer is only restaurant product, we don't sell any can and bottle beer and even the US because we want to take it to the next level.
And this tastes way better than this, and it's the same beer.
Right? Yeah. All right. Maybe I need one more bronze here. All right.
There we go.
All right. So first one more time.
Second one.
Every time it's a big angle. All right. All right. This is a really great beer. Don't forget to load up all the way to the head and then make a head. Okay, and then today, because I'm not only doing it to present it, don't forget you guys to sign on the document and then make order, please. All right. Don't forget to make an order. All right. So I'm sorry, I love you guys, but the next ladies first.
It's okay, senpai.
Arigato!
Alright. So Miss, you also please describe how different the two beers, okay? Miss? Can you hear me? Alright. Everyone over here, please choose this one too. Love beer, love foam beer. And please tell everybody how different it is. Nice smile, huh?
Yeah, compare.
What's the result?
What's the result?
Which one?
I would prefer the first.
Yeah, the first one. The second one is...
Yeah. Right, the first one actually.
Right?
I don't know if it is like first impression, but this was really, really good.
Alright, thank you for helping to the testing. Okay, I want you to make one more magic for you. I'm gonna make another one, another beer.
Magic.
Yatta!
Yatta! Nani? Okay, so the first beer is a Suntory quality, and another one is a draft beer. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, please come closer. I'm going to show you the one more magic. How much carbonation can keep this form inside of the beer? All right, I make the same ratio, and then I'm going to set up the beer. Tell me what's going to happen. I'm going to start up, okay?
We're going to go down faster.
Tornado, okay. So everyone, ladies and gentlemen, in the New York, so we have a common rules. If you see something, say something, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the first one, this is a round for me, okay?
No snitching.
All right. I'll do this here. All right, one more time. I'm gonna stop very hard. The round form never keeps the bubble, keeps the form inside. Never, the carbonation is already went out, that's why he does nothing. But this one, again, this creamy form can keep the carbonation inside, that's why I just start one more time. Look at this, like a volcano.
Oh!
Everybody make some noise! Alright, so this is how we make the beer.
Give me one of those. Give me one of those. I want the bubbles. Nah, I'll take the bubbles.
Okay.
I don't want to waste.
All right, thank you so much. All right, everybody ready to sign on the paper and make the order, okay? All right, so my presentation is over. So we have a Instagram page, so please, we have extra time to check out Suntory Premium Malls in New York. And everybody who's ready? Yeah? All right, I'm going to make a beer for you, okay? Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Alright. You guys are so much lucky because mostly the people they get such a small tasty yes, but now I separate you from food time.
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you so much. Yeah. Please come closer and get the beer. Alright, one more time I'm saying, don't forget to sign on the paper and make the order. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Thank you so much.
Jump in